Well, it's 11 a.m. on this Christmas Eve 2024. And Michelle and I are warming up the Snow Dog in preparation for a trip to the post office, we hope.
Like this.
We just successfully crossed Dugan Creek, which is pretty much
There's overflow.
There's overflow. There's a lot of it, and now we're on the downhill side of our trip to the post office. So let's see if we can make it the rest of the way and get across. We still have to go down on the river and cross Baker Creek. So we'll see what condition those conditions are when we get there. Okay, we got to document this.
Oh, yeah.
We've been unable to video any of this. But what is transpiring right now is we just got off the Tanana River, headed home. And of course we flipped the Snow Dog because as we were coming up the trail, it caught the edge of the bank right there and flipped us over. This is all sandbar.
Let's not forget about the muffler that came off.
Yes, and the thing about this Briggs & Stratton engine that is on the Snow Dog, I've done everything I know humanly possible to keep the muffler on, but it will not stay on, and again it has come off. So we're going to fire up. It's going to get dark on us before we get home, but thank goodness the river part is over and done with.
Yes. Careful.
Yeah, I hit that one spot and I heard it crack and it gave like that. And of course, we'll make it.
Well, we're past the halfway mark now.
Yeah. Do you want this body warmer?
I have a body warmer in here. I have one on me, and I've got another warmer in here. The only one that's doing any good is the one that's on me.
Oh, okay.
The ones in here, I got it. It's not working.
Okay, we're out and ran out of gas. So we got to fill this tank up. Been one little thing after the other.
You think we ran out of gas because the muffler's not on?
No.
We shouldn't have run out.
Oh, you can do this.
I can't.
Oh, you can't? Okay.
I'm soaked my hand. I can't.
Okay. We have no idea what the temperature is out here, but
Cold.
cold. And I'll do a little feature on this fuel pump. Because this thing has been a lifesaver. Whoops. And we're full. has auto shut off on it, which is so nice. We are finally home, and now to get in firewood, and Michelle is starting dinner. My balaclava keeps sliding into my mouth, and very difficult to talk when it's kind of pressing over your lips. But this was a trip and a half.